Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a program to convert days into years, months and days in C. Now let us write preprocessor directives hash include stdio.h hash include console input output .h void main function and curly open brace, and here we are going to declare all the variables of type integer. The first variable I am going to take is no days, that is number of days. Second variable is days, comma, I'll take years and months and put semicolon. Now I'm going to write CLR SCR function. So CLR SCR, which is used to clear the screen. Now I'm going to ask the user to enter the total number of days. So using printf function, in a double quotation mark I'm going to write enter the total days, end the double quotation mark, close the bracket and put semicolon. Now we are going to receive the input from the user through keyboard using scanf function. So in a double quotation mark I'm going to write %d format specifier, because whenever we use integer we have to write %d. Now end the double quotation mark, put comma, ampersand, days and put semicolon. Now I'm going to initialize this days to number of days variable. So number of days is equal to days. So whatever the user enters, that value will be stored in a variable called days. In turn, this value is equated to number of days. In order to keep the entered original value intact, we have to initialize days to number of days. So I'm going to explain this one later on when we take example. So now let us move ahead with the next statement. Here I'm going to write years is equal to days integer division by 365 and put semicolon, because every year consisting of 365 days except the leap years. So we have considered every year consisting of 365 days. That's the reason we are dividing these days by 365. Now we are going to remove the number of years and how many days left out after removing the errors. So for that I'm going to write days is equal to days modular division by 365. So integer division always gives us quotient and modular division always gives us the remainder. Next I want to calculate the number of months. So for that I'll write months is equal to days integer division by 30. So we have considered each and every month consisting of 30 days. So that's the reason we have divided days by 30. So this gives us the quotient. Next, after removing months, how many days are left out? For that I'm going to write days is equal to days modular division by 30. So this gives us the remaining days, that is remainder after dividing days by 30. Now I'm going to write printf statement to print the total number of days entered by the user and how many years, how many months and how many days are present in it. So here I'm going to write %d days is equal to %d years. I'm going to write here. So years, I'll put a dash, %d months dash %days, end the double quotation mark and put comma, and here we'll write number of days, that is original days entered by the user in this variable is equated to number of days to keep the original value intact. So here %d refers to number of days. Here I don't have space to write, so I'm going to write the other variables down here. Next, months, that is this percentage D represent months, and then I'm going to we have to write first years here. To write years, because this percentage D refers to years, percentage D refers to months, and then this percentage D refers to days. So here I'm going to write days and put semicolon. Here I'll write get ch function and close the bracket. Now let us take an example so that we can understand how exactly this program works. So let me write here output. So when we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter the total days. Enter the total days will be printed. So here I'm going to write 396 for example. If you want, you can change the value and check out. So here this 396 value is stored in a variable called days. Next, these days are equated to one more variable called number of days. So days is 396. So 396 is stored in number of days variable. Next statement is years is equal to number of days, that is total days divided by 365. So days is 396, integer division by 365. Integer division always written as the quotient. So 365 ones are 365 ones are. So here we remain with only 30, that is quotient is what? 1. Okay. Next, days is equal to, we'll write days is 396 modular division by 365 is equal to, here you can see this modular division returns us the remainder after the integer division. So 365 ones are 365 ones are 365. 396 minus 365 gives us 31. Next, months is equal to days divided by 30. Now the value of days is changed to 31. It is not 396 now. Okay, so that is days is 31 divided by integer division by 30. So this always written as quotient. 30 ones are 30 ones are. 1 is what? It is a quotient. 1 is stored in months variable. Similarly, the next statement, days is equal to days. So how many days? 31 days. So 31 modular division by 30 is equal to. So this modular division return as remainder. So 31s are 31s are 30 minus 31 minus 30 is what? 1. So here 1 is stored in days. Now we are going to print this particular statement. So percentage D days. So it is number of days. Number of days are 396. So what it displays? 396 days. This days is equal to percentage D years. So here it is printing years. So what is the value stored in years? 1. So here we'll write 1 years. This dash will be printed as it is. Next, percentage D months. So here this percentage D associated with this month. Okay, so here it is going to print 1 month because the value 1 is stored in months. So here it is going to display 1 months, and again here you can see dash, so it will be printed as it is. Percentage D days. So these days value stored in this particular variable will be printed. So here 1 is stored in days, so it is going to display 1 days. So let us execute this program. For that, I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here I have already written this program to save your time, and now it's time to compile this program by pressing Alt F9. It is showing success, means there is no syntax error. I'll press enter, and it's time to execute this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here it is asking the user to enter the total days. I'm going to enter 396. You can enter some other value as well. I'm going to press enter now. Here you can see 396 days is equal to 1 years, 1 months, 1 days it is showing. I hope you understood. If so, please comment me as understood. Thank you.